Hi everyone, this is Thrifty IQ. Just want to do a quick video today to show you how to redeem your funds on Poshmark, just in case you still have questions. So right now I'm on my iPhone and I am just going to tap the Poshmark app so that I can open it. And of course, I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter if you're on your Android, if you're on your tablet, desktop, laptop. The steps are generally the same. There may be some variances, but overall, here's what you want to do. So at the bottom, you want to look toward the bottom right and find your closet name or your account tab. You want to tap that, you open it up, and you see tons of options, including your closet, your drafts. You can also see purchases and other information, including your seller tools, your Posh stats, and all that great stuff. But for our purposes today, we're going to look beneath my sales for my balance. And here you're going to see the money that is available to you. So you may have credits available, you may have money that's pending from sales that have not hit your account yet, and you also may have funds that are redeemable. And here you'll see in green the amount that you are allowed to take out. I'm going to tap that. Here you'll see your options to redeem your balance. You can do instant transfer for a $2 fee. You can do PayPal or Venmo for a 35-cent fee, or you can do direct deposit or request a check for free. I personally use direct deposit because I don't mind the timing and also because I have it tied to my business account for reselling. And I encourage all resellers to have a business account. They're free, and it also allows you to keep your personal money separate from your business money, and it allows you to understand whether you actually have a business. So that's my personal suggestion there. And keep in mind also, you don't have to redeem the full amount that's available. So mine was 216. If I wanted to take out $16 or take out $200, I could do so. Just keep in mind that Poshmark may send you a verification code through email in order to do that. So just be prepared for that process. And that's it. That's how you redeem your funds on Poshmark.